Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for TikTok. Once you see the app, just click on it and hit install. That's it. The app will start downloading right away. Now, if you don't have the Microsoft Store, no problem, just open your web browser and search for TikTok on Google, then go to the official website. Once the page loads, look for the install button at the top right of your browser window. Click on it and install it, and you are all set. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching.